everybody, I'm Noah from Tata and today I want to show you how to embroider a rose. There are so many different ways to embroider roses, but today I'm going to do it using Satin Stitch, which is a really simple stitch and really good for beginners. And I will also teach you how to do the edge of the leaf pointed. So, if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe and let's get started.
Start with the stitch that goes all the way from the point across the shape of the leaf to the other side. Then fill the shape in the opposite direction to the stitch you made using Satin Stitch. Bring your needle up from one side of the shape outline and bring it back down to the other side of the fabric from the other side of the outline. Keep going like that in all the flower petals. If you want to see a video specifically to Satin Stitch, you can check out the description box. I left a link for you. For the stalk, I'm using backstitch. Begin by pulling the needle up and stitch one simple stitch forward. Before your next stitch, space the needle half an inch forward and come back with the needle back down through the end of the last stitch. Let's do the leaf with Lazy Daisy stitch. Bring your needle up and then back down closely to the exit point, leaving an inch of thread loose. Bring your needle up to where the tip of the petal will be. Go through the loop you created and bring your needle back down very close to the exit point from the other side of the loop.
I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and if you want to order any embroidery kits and patterns, you can do it on my Etsy shop. The link is in the description box. And if you want to download a free PDF embroidery pattern, you can now do it if you subscribe to my newsletter. The link is also waiting for you in the description box. So, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Embroidery.